Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to add friends in Clash Royale. Want to add friends in Clash Royale? It's actually really simple. The easiest way is through your Supercell ID. First, tap the menu in the top right corner of your game, then scroll down and press the yellow Supercell ID button. Inside, you'll find a Friends tab where you can view all your current connections. To invite new friends, tap the little smiley face icon at the bottom right. Here, you'll get two options: share your profile link or your unique QR code. Just send one of these to your friend, and when they open it, your accounts will instantly connect. You can even use this feature across other Supercell games, making it super handy if you and your friends play more than just Clash Royale. And that's all it takes. You're now ready to battle, trade, and climb the arenas together. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.